Good morning friends, here I am going to show you the fundamental analysis of one of the emerging chemical company, gelatin company. The company name is India Gelatin and Chemicals. You can see about the company's properties, procedure, development, research and development, information, director, contact. So in 1973 company was formed, okay, India Gelatin and Chemicals. Is tried to produce world-class gelatin, state of art in Vapi, Gujarat. The journey begins more than the decades ago, 1975. IGCL Superior's product line is fit for consumption in halal and international market, which has paved the way to export to US, EU, Japan, Korea, Middle East. Okay, companies doing a lot of export. And also the company is a leader. IGCL continues to receive award annually as a leader export for Capaxel, Minister of Commerce of India. Okay, so you can also see the product here. What are the company making the products? You can see companies making product like edible gelatin, photographic gelatin, technical gelatin, pharmaceutical gelatin. Very good. So let's see the fundamental data, financial data. So India Gelatin and Chemicals Limited is an Indian-based company which is engaged in the manufacture of chemicals products such as the all-season gelatin, dye chemicals, phosphate. The company focus mainly on the export market. Market cap is 85.2, current price is 120, high is 180, low is 79, P stock P13, very good P. Book value 150, very good sign. Book value is greater than market price, very good. Dividend yield 2 point, very good dividend. Genuine dividend. Return on capital by 8.82, return on equity 6.62, face value 10, return score 10, very good sign. Micro cap company having automatic 10, very good. Number of equity 0.71, very low equity. Growth factor 4, Piotrowski 8, very good. Solid check. Wow. You can see the company is reducing their equity capital, very good sign. Price power 1.2, very good price power. Asset power 9.63 means asset is 9.63 times of their debt. Very good. You can see the maximum chart of the company. You will see what a company. Every dip is an opportunity for you. Every dip. It's like a Warren Buffett kind of stock. You have to just buy on every dip and hold it for long term. This kind of stock we can say buy right, sit tight. Okay. So you can see pros of the company. Company is almost debt free. Stock trading 0.77 of book value. Stock deliver good profit 28.2. Companies are maintaining healthy dividend payout 29.3. The company has delivered poor sales growth. This is the pros. Cons. Companies have low return on equity. Earning including the other income 4.49. Company doing same business as per done by, you can say, Pidilite, SRF, Aarti, Deepak, Linde, Tata, Alkyl. Okay, so you can see the sales of the company. Company is growing their sales every year, 15% every quarter, 15, 20, 15, 20, 15, 12, 33, 6, 4. In the lockdown, the company's growth was just small dip, but not a big dip. And if you see that company's June is negative small because of COVID-19, but the company is solid company. Last year also in the lockdown, company is triggering positive sales, very good sign. Another thing, company is operating, wow, what a company are. Company is increasing their operating margin from 5% to 6%, 6% to 7%, 7% to 10%, 10%, very good sign. Even during the lockdown and during the other situation, company reduced their margin because of the benefit of our people, They are reducing they are reducing margin, but company is having good fundamental, very very good. Interest, company paying no interest, very very good sign, just 0.03 and 2. Profit before tax 2 crore, now it is showing 0.8. Okay, net profit 1.15, 0.6, very very flat and down in last 3 to 4 years, but no issue at all. Company's fundamental very very solid. Now check here, you can see company's sales growth. In 2010, company's sale was 79 crore. Now it is showing 144 crore. What a company here, what a company. Okay, and you can see here expenses. Companies also manage very very good, means company's margin is very very good. OPM in 2010 OPM was 9%. Now it is 5 to 6%. Okay, no issue at all. Other income, companies slowly improving their other income as well. You can see here 7 crore, 3 crore, 4 crore, 5 crore. Interest is nothing. Company paying no interest at all. Okay, company making profit before tax 10 crore. Now it is 9 crore. Sales is growing, but profit is not growing. That's why company is still under the micro cap and not moving that much stock. But I'm sure this kind of solid fundamental company with research and development always give ultimate result in the future and will be the multi-bagger. You can see net profit also 7 crore to 7 crore, no problem at all. Compounded growth, 10 year 5% sales, profit growth 10 year 14, CAGR 10 year 13, return on equity 10 year 5, very very good. Now see what a positive sign, what a positive. Companies 2010 having equity capital how much, sir? 9.4. Now the equity capital in 2021 is 7.9. Company reduced from equity capital 9 to 7. Very very good company, solid company. Reducing the equity capital, very very good sign. Now check the reserve. In 2010 reserve was 86 crore. Now in March 2020 reserve is 103. Very very good company. Borrowing is nothing borrowing. Investment, company increasing their investment 28 crore in 2010, now 34 crore, very very good. Other asset, what a company here, 6 crore cash. A micro cap company having 6 crore cash. Inventory 27 crore inventory. Trade receivable 9 crore. Loan in advance 5 crore. Very very solid company. Every year company increasing their asset. You can see 115, 116, 124, 127. Maintaining healthy cash flow, very very good. Debtor days flat, inventory days flat, improved. Days payable improved, cash conversion improved, working capital no. Return on capital employed 6% to 9%, very very good. Now check the promoter holding. Promoter holding 63% in 2018. In 2018 December they reduced to 61%. Since 2018, company's intact holding 61.38. Intact. Public oh my god, lot of famous people are invested in this company. You can see how many. Sangeeta, Sunil, Investor Protection Fund 1.42%. Very very good company, very very good. DI also interested. These are the latest recent update annual report. Hope this video help you to understand the quality of the company India Gelatin and